Hey, I'm Katie with StreamYard, and today I'm going to teach you about our new feature, local recordings. We are super excited to give you even more ways to level up your recordings, podcasts, webinars, whatever you make on StreamYard. All of these methods of content creation are already possible in StreamYard, but local recording makes post-production and repurposing your content easier and cleaner than before. Local recordings on StreamYard are separate, smooth, freeze-free, high-quality audio and video tracks for all participants in a studio. When enabled, the local recording feature will record every component of the broadcast separately, creating individual files for your audio and video feeds. As a host, to enable the feature, you'll need to head to the settings inside any studio and click our new option here, Recording. In Recording, there's an option that says Record locally for each participant. Select this checkbox. Then you can choose here whether you want to record both audio and video or audio only. The way you create broadcasts and recordings is also a bit different now. To create a broadcast or recording, click Create, then choose Live Stream or Recording. With Live Stream, like before, you can select the destinations you want to stream to. Recording is identical to our Record Only feature. If you've enabled local recording, you're going to see a global navigation icon that says recording on the right side. You're not going to see it if you don't enable local recording. Once you start recording, this section will change to say uploading recordings. It'll say, please ask all guests to stay in the studio until their recordings are done uploading. And then you can see your different participants under upload details and the status of each of their recordings uploaded. As a guest, you will see in the studio if recording hasn't started or if it has begun. It will also tell you to please stay in the studio until after the show to finish uploading your recordings. The guest upload will stop when they leave the studio, so it's important to tell all guests to remain in the studio to assure that their upload is completed. Within the upload details section, the host will see each participant's individual recording upload percentage too, along with any errors. Uploads should complete within 1 to 2 minutes from the broadcast ending, depending on the guest's device and strength of connection. If participants end up leaving the studio before the upload is complete, they can continue to upload their recordings at streamyard.com/upload. StreamYard will remember the user's device and will complete the upload on arrival to that page. Users can download all local recordings at once, including partial recordings. Once you select a video from the Videos tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you will see two sections, Cloud Recordings and Local Recordings. Go to the Local Recordings section and each guest's name will appear with their very own download button. Click Download and you will see every section of the recording pertinent to that guest available for download. Also, if your guest left and returned to the studio at any point, you will see multiple video and audio recordings available to download. You can also access these recordings from the StreamYard dashboard by going to Broadcast, Past, and clicking the View button next to the desired broadcast. Now, let's get to the use cases of this feature. Have you ever seen those podcasts where the hosts add video footage from the episode recording session so you can watch along on Spotify? Do you get really excited when your favorite podcast teases a new episode on TikTok or Instagram? Do you have a large following on YouTube and want to be able to post your podcast recording on the streaming sites you use and give your YouTube subscribers new content to watch? These are all possibilities with this new feature. You provide more people more opportunities to listen, watch, and subscribe to you. And for our video producers, has there been an interview you've done on StreamYard that you wanted to use elsewhere? Have you had a great guest on your stream and you want to isolate a clip of them to use in another piece of content or promotional material without spending hours editing? Do you just want an easier way to record video content without finding another platform and feel assured that the quality will be top-notch? We've got you covered. Local recording helps you make the best out of your content. Make sure you check out these other videos on our channel for more ways to level up your streams. Happy streaming!